Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sayyid Muhammad Rizvi. I am working in the Chandbagh school. I am O-level physics teacher there, and my lecture is lecture number 1 of 10. It is related to grade 8 physics. Previously, I would discuss the patterns movement, and I hope so you have completed your home task regarding to the related to the patterns movement. What I have shared you in WhatsApp. Now I will proceed towards the next slide. That is a topic slide, and the topic that I am going to discuss and describe is the distance time graph. You have to keep in your mind, if I am telling about distance time graph, what I am telling, it means that I am telling about speed. Distance time graph gives speed. The gradient of distance time graph is speed. You have to take distance on y-axis and take time on x-axis, as time is independent quantity and it is measured, its unit is second, and distance is measured and its unit is meter or kilometer. You have to take distance, this physical quantity, on y-axis and time on x-axis in order to find out the speed that is covered by the certain object. I am now reading first statement. If the car is moving with a constant and steady speed, it means that it covers equal distance in equal interval of time. This statement is very much simple regarding to distance time graph. If any object or a car is moving with a constant speed, it means that it covers equal distance in equal interval of time. By an example, I will explain it. If an object is moving at a steady speed or constant speed, the graph will be a straight line sloping upward. The graph slope is in the upward direction if the object is moving with a constant and steady speed. This shows that the object distance from the starting point increases at a steady rate. It is traveling equal distances in equal times. Now I will read another statement. Suppose the red car is going faster than the blue one. I am taking an example. There are two cars. One color is red, another one is of blue color. And suppose the red car is moving or traveling faster, its speed is greater than the blue one. Its graph line slope upwards more steeply because it covers greater distance in each second. The red car is moving faster, although both cars are moving with a constant speed, but the red car speed is greater than the blue car. So that's why it slopes upward more steeply, because it covers greater distance in each second. In every second that is passing, the red car covers greater distance. I hope so you like my lecture, what I have delivered to you. You have to read this topic in your book that has been given to you, and draw the graph. Your home assignment is that you have to draw the graph of the car that is moving with a constant speed. Take another example. I am taking that example. You have to take another example in which the car is moving with a constant speed and distance time graph. You have to draw it. I hope so you like my lecture. Okay, Khuda Hafiz.